It was the reign of King John, where citizens of England used to be prosecuted in arbitrary was with listening to them. In those days, there were three classes: 1. King John and his high-ranking allies and officials; 2. Barons. The third were poor people of England, who were powerless and were treated below than the animals. Then it came the day of June 15, when King John was forced to sign a document called Magna Carta. Prior to that, barons united hands with the people, and they all gathered day and night in the streets of London. The arbitrary herachy was ended, and it was declared that no one is above the law. The years passed, and this world saw emergence of England as world power. The glory day of England gradually ended after Second World War. The America arose as new power. People of Russia stood against Tsar monarch. That was the USSR, which came in front of the USA. A Cold War started, and small countries of Europe aligned themselves into Western Bloc and Russian Bloc. Now, the emerging power seems to be China. Western world tore the spirit of Magna Carta by themselves. This world has seen Gaza human and property destruction in a miserable way. This war was supported by Western powers. It ruled again, a power is above the law. Perhaps India also wishes the same for Pakistan. Like King John, India wants to punish Pakistan without listening to whether the Pahalgam tragedy was staged by Indian culprits or by those in Pakistan. Pakistan offered India to constitute a joint investigating commission, but since the Pahalgam incident, which happened on April 22, India kept accusing Pakistan and warned it, India will attack Pakistan. India attacked Pakistan on the 6th of April in late hours at several spots inside the territory of Pakistan. At least 26 innocent people died. Pakistan retaliated and shot down at least 5 jets in the Indian territory and also targeted the Indian Army installation. India must understand that Pakistan is not Gaza. If India becomes King John, then people of Pakistan will observe the right path to make India realize that the monarch has no room in this world.